Hey, what's up, everybody? So what I want to talk about in this video is, will we ever see 14 or $15 spot price for silver ever again? I get a lot of comments on my videos that we're never going to get to those low prices ever again, and I disagree. Now, I could be 100% wrong, but I'm going to show you why I think that we will see the $15, $14 spot price for silver sometime in the future. Now, it may take a year, it may take a couple of years, maybe it take 3 or 4 or 5 years, but I do believe we will see it again. And I'm going to kind of show you my thinking as to why I think that way. But let me know in the comment section below what you think. And once again, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But please smash that like button. Or if you don't like the video, then smash that dislike button. And let me know in the comment section what you think. So we are looking at the 20-year history of silver, the silver chart for 20 years. And then after this, we're going to look at the gold history chart for the last 20 years. And I'm going to tell you why I think we might see $1,200 or $1,300 for gold spot price. So let's take a look at it. So here is the $15 mark right here, and we are looking at March of 2006, where we're at about 1481. And then we bounce up to $18.03. This is February of 2007. Then August of 2007, we're back down to 15. So how many times in the last 20 years have we went up to about the $17, $18 mark, and then we went back down to $15? Well, let's take a look. There's 18, and here's 15. And then after it hit 15, it went up to $24 in 2008. Then after that, we dropped down to $11.55. Now, will we see $11 silver spot price ever again? I don't think we're going to see that. Now, again, I could be wrong. We could. It's possible we'll see that. I just don't believe so. So after that, then we went up to, in April of 2009, 1458. Now this is where we're in that recession. This is where gold's going up to almost $2,000 an ounce, and silver is going up. It can't be stopped. It's running away. Everybody's having that fear of missing out, and this is where a lot of people got into silver. A lot of people got into gold right here. Now, I did a video because people say, who's going to buy silver for $40 an ounce if it ever gets there ever again? Well, in this time, in 2011, a lot of people were buying silver. A lot of people had that fear of missing out. A lot of people were buying at $35. I think people stopped buying once it got over 40, but a ton of people were buying at 35. My LCS said on multiple occasions they could not keep silver in stock. It was every time someone sold, somebody was buying. It went that quick. So they were paying ridiculous premiums for people who were selling at that time. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. So then, of course, after, as the recession, as we're getting better in the economy, silver's going down, gold's going down. And so after that, we didn't hit $15 or $15 to $14 silver spot price until December of 2015. Then once again, after that, we went back to $19 in 2016. Then we went to $21 in July of 2016. Then we started to go back down a little bit, 17, 19, until we got to October of 2018. We went to 1498, 1451. Then we're back up to 15. Then we're back down to 14. And then this is kind of where we're at. This is 2019, 1835. And then this only goes to, because this is the historical chart, this only goes to, well, this is February of 2020. We are looking at what silver spot price is currently, and that is 1767. Well, it might be not exact to the day, but today is February 4th of 2020. So I'm not exactly sure what day this is they're looking at, but but I mean, if you can see what I'm trying to get at is we do go up, we do go down, we go back up, we come back down. I do believe at some point we are going to see at least $15 an ounce silver, if not back down to $14 an ounce silver. It's just going to be the matter of time. But when there's uncertainty in the world, silver and gold go up. Now, gold sometimes goes up a lot higher than silver. Will the silver to gold ratio, how much will it tighten? Will it get to that 60-to-1 ratio, 70-to-1 ratio? No one really knows. But I do believe if we're just looking at silver, we will see that 14 to $15 range once again at some point. Now, let's take a look at gold real quick, because I want to talk about if we will see $1,200 an ounce of gold, $1,300 an ounce of gold. A lot of people say we won't. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and we're going to take a look at that chart next. All right, so we're looking at the 20-year historical chart for gold. I don't think there's any sense on going back any further than that. But now, just like silver, I don't think we're going to see $500 gold or $400 gold ever again, just like we're not going to probably see $4 silver or $5 silver. We're probably never going to see anything under $10 silver, and we're probably never going to see anything under $1,000 for gold, in my opinion. Again, this is not financial advice, it's just my opinion. But will we see $1,200 for gold? So just like in 2011, when we saw the really high prices for silver, $30 an ounce, $40 an ounce, $50 an ounce, we saw gold go up to almost 2,000. Well, okay, so it went over $2,000 an ounce in August of 2011. Then as that recession kind of eased, we saw the prices of gold and silver both drop. So in 2013, gold went back down to $1,312 an ounce. Then we saw it go back up to $1,500 an ounce in August of 2013. Then in December of 2013, we saw it go back down to $1,328. So it's kind of, it's fluctuating. I mean, in history, gold and silver has gone up, gold and silver has come back down. Then in October of 2014, we hit $1,250 for gold. Then we went to December of 2015, we got down to 1,161. Then right over here in July of 2016, we saw it at $1,450, almost $1,450 an ounce. Then in January of 2017, we saw it back down to $1,200 gold again. Whoops. This is kind of running away from me here. So where were we at? So 12, let me scroll this back down. All right, December of 2016, 1,225. August of 2017, 13. So we're right around that $1,300 range. Then we go back down into the $1,200 range in 2018. And then after that, it's just kind of sticking around there up until we get to where we're at currently, around the $1,500 to $1,600 mark. But I think history is kind of repeating itself, kind of where we saw silver and gold. Gold at the all-time high, really, in the last 20 years at $2,069. And then it came back down, and now we're kind of going back up. We're kind of going back up again. But at some point, I do believe we will come back down like it always does. And those are where the awesome buying opportunities are, for silver and for gold. For me, I'm waiting for $14 to $15 an ounce silver, um, $1,200 to $1,300 an ounce for gold, and then that's where I can so-called back that truck up and start loading up. But until then, I'll buy slowly, but I'm not going to be loading up until we get back down into those lower prices. Now, it is entirely possible that silver and gold are going to just keep shooting up and they will never come back down to these prices. I believe they will. What say you? Please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate everybody for watching. Please let me know what you guys think. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.